Hi everyone, so today I'm going to review this item that I got last Christmas, and this is the Finishing Touch Flawless Brows. So it removes hair instantly and pain-free, and it's perfect for eyebrows, and it has an 18K plated. Gentle on all skin types. So let's do the unboxing first. Actually opened this one already, and you will see the machine. It has also the battery, and it also has, this is the one for the cleaning. So this is the way that to put the battery, guys. So you're going just to pull this end. There you go. So this one, and then just put your battery. So just put your battery. Okay. And after that, oh, so there. Open. There you go. You got this one, right? So you will just slide this up. Am I right? There you go. Just slide this up and then it will be open. You can hear the sounds of it. And according to the instruction, well, it has an instruction, of course. So install the battery. We already installed the battery. Turn unit on, slide. Okay, that's it. Slide switch on to on position, and there you go. To move here, you can see that. Okay, I think to remove hair, use on clear dry skin, pull skin tight, and move in small circular motions. Okay, we're going to do it. As you can see, my brows are all messy. Okay, let's use a mirror because I cannot do this while looking at you guys, and then while looking at this one, the screen. As you can see, my brows are not good anymore. It needs to be clean. Okay. I ate a popcorn. Sorry. So according to that one, is use a clean dry skin. Yeah, actually it's clean. I did not use any makeup at all. I just put a lipstick. So use on clean dry skin and pull skin tight and move in small circular motions. So we're going to do it now. So I'll just put this. I'm afraid, but that's right. So pull and then move circular motion. Not good. So let's move here. I'm actually afraid to do this right now, but what I'm going to do is I will just remove those excess hairs you can see here, because this one I need to cut this one because it's not good. Okay, let's go. Ooh, so okay. You can just handle this anywhere. You can put it on your bag, and if you need to do your brows, you can just carry this one. And that's all, guys, and thank you for the watching with me. There's really a changes, right? So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. God bless us all.